फ्यूचर ऑल्सो, बिकॉज एथिक्स और मोरालिटी की एक बहुत पतली लकीर होती है। टू बीइंग अ रिस्पॉन्सिबल, मैंने पहले ही कहा था कि आप लोगों के पास देश की दशा और दिशा बदलने की ताकत है। यू विल बी चेंजिंग द नैरेटिव ऑफ नॉट ओनली लद्दाख बट इंडिया। सो एथिक्स और मोरालिटी पे ध्यान रखने की जरूरत है। वो बंदा फोटो खींच के चला गया, उसको जाना था, वो उसने बहुत काम किया था, एंड इवन उसने वो फोटो छपाया और उसको उस फोटो के लिए पुलित्जर मिला। पुलित्जर इज लाइक नोबेल प्राइज फॉर द जर्नलिज्म। और बाद में पता किया उसने क्या हुआ उस बच्चे को। उसके जाने के थोड़ी देर बाद ही वो बच्चा मर गया, क्योंकि वो मरने की स्थिति में था, एंड वल्चर ने उसको नोच के खाया। ये बात उस फोटोग्राफर को इतनी इफेक्ट करी, probably he committed suicide.
Thank you so much for having me here. I can see a lot of journalism students here and it feels good क्योंकि आने वाले टाइम पे I might see you working with us or might without us also, so that's good. And let me introduce first. My name is Tanzin Desal and I am an editor of Reach Ladakh Bulletin and also the president of Press Club Leh. And Hajira Leh has been my senior. We have worked in the same organization also. And so yes, the ethics you are talking about, being a media person, it's very important to report what is happening around. But at the same time, it's our responsibility also to have some, when we write something, there should be some, you can't write it one-sided story. कोई कुछ हो गया इंसिडेंट तो उसको रिपोर्ट करना इज नॉट जर्नलिज्म। आई मीन यू हैव टू लिसन टू द बोथ द साइड्स। कुछ इंसिडेंट्स हो गया, ये हो गया, वो हो गया, मर गया, वट एवर द थिंग इट इज, दैट वी विल राइट इट। इट्स वेरी सिंपल, ये हो गया करके। फिर व्हाट वाज द रीजन बिहाइंड इट, व्हाट हैपेंड, द बेसिक 5 rules, 5W1H, you all know. And along with it, and then we have to go with beyond that, I mean, like what happened, why it is happening. Something like we have to go into a concrete, what is actually happening. So, nowadays, what I can see is like, because of the digital era, the print media and the electronic media has, it's going through a very change. I mean, like it is in a transition phase. And then nowadays, sabke paas smartphones hai, everybody has access to the 4G and networks and all. So everybody can become a journalist, But there is a point. Who is the journalist? Like I said, like then when we say who is the journalist, it is a person like who actually goes into the story, what is it, and gives the correct picture to the people. एक photo खींच के ये हो गया करके, that is not journalism. So that's the basic ethics we have to go around when we see as a journalist. हम story write करते हैं, at the same time we must get the opinions of the people who are associated with it. So then comes the complete story. Then आप में और जो स्मार्टफोन उठाते हैं उसमें there will be a difference in the story. So ethics हम like if you do a stories, ethics is very important. In India media बहुत सारे ethics है, and I'm not sure like they all know about what is the media ethics. And जब हम लिखते हैं तो क्या किसी का नाम लिखना चाहिए, नहीं चाहिए, the minor, the accused, victims. So all this has to be kept in mind. It's just not about having a TRP और जब हाँ मैं हीरो हूँ अब तो मैंने कर दिया ये story 5. We have to see the किसी की चीज़ के ऊपर लिख रहे हैं तो we have to see like what we are writing about. And your one piece of story and one piece of photo can affect somebody else. So we have to be very sensible while writing it. I think that is the main ethics, because you have to understand the core of the story. What are you writing about? And then जब हम उसको समझते हैं, we take it as a personal. I am sure like we'll write it very sensibly. So that is the ethics. I think we need to draw that, because we can't compare ourselves with after studying all the journalism course, ये सारी चीजें 2 साल हम पढ़ते हैं. Then there should be a difference between who carries the smartphone and who is the real journalist.
Yes.
It still is. Talking about environment, we hardly get to see the front page of any newspaper giving space to environmental news, or any channel giving its prime time to environmental issues. Why? Because we are not aware, we are least concerned about environmental issues. But this is something which concerns each one of us It's something which directly affects us all. And if we are talking about women and children, I think I've taught this to the third semester students also. Everyone has right to privacy. So especially when you are reporting about victims, when you are reporting about women, when you are reporting about children, you need to be extra cautious about what to write and what not to write. Because many times what happens is just for the TRP and just to get that limelight, we start exaggerating the things. We start sensationalizing the things just to attract more viewers to your channel or just to have more readers. But this is where the term ethics comes, what your conscience tells you to do. Because ethics is something which we follow every day, you know, what is right, what is wrong, what is good, what is bad. Same applies to reporting. When you are reporting, you should ask yourself, am I supposed to write this? Am I supposed to use this word? Am I supposed to write the name of the victim? Even the culprit, you know, because it says that innocent unless proven guilty. So even if you are writing a report about the culprit, you need to get it final, unless you are not sure about that he has been proven guilty, you are not supposed to give his or her name, because the person has a long life ahead of him. He has to live in that society only. And then coming to the victim, obviously right to privacy is there. Just to have more readers, you cannot just barge and you cannot just invade someone's privacy. You should ask the family, seek for permission, ask the victim if you can use their name or not. Only then you are supposed to write his or her name. In many newspapers, you might have seen that there's a name given and in bracket it's mentioned that name changed. Did you observe? Why? Because the victim has a long life ahead of him or her, already going through a very tough time, and the reporters, what happens is many times they add to the trouble that the family is already facing. So you need to be extra cautious, and you need to be ethically and morally correct when whatever kind of story you are doing, especially when coming from journalism background, when you know the do's and don'ts. So this is an added responsibility on journalists. Yeah.
So I felt कि क्या होगा, ये तो ठीक है, ये रिपोर्टिंग तो ठीक है, इतने रीजंस जा रहे हैं बाहर, हमारा जो पूरा स्टेट है ये रॉन्ग रीजंस के लिए दुनिया में माना जा रहा था. I felt what to do. So I started to make some stories about environment. So I wanted to make a film on Wular Lake. ये भी एक इत्तेफाक है, चांस है कि ये बच्चा मुझे मिल गया वुलर लेक में. खैर वो कहानी बहुत बड़ी है. When I started to shoot, इसके घर शूट से पहले मैं इसके घर चला गया. तो बच्चा है ना, उसके घर चला गया. उससे पूरी कंडीशन मैंने ली. उसकी माँ से मैंने बात करी, उसकी फैमिली, उसके बच्चे जो है, उसके सिस्टर वगैरह, उनसे बात करी. फर्स्ट थिंग इज, वंस आई केम बैक, मैंने अपने फैमिली के साथ ही डिस्कस किया कि ऐसा बच्चा है, इसका माहौल ऐसा ऐसा है, व्हाट टू डू. मेरे 2 बच्चे हैं, जो 2 बच्चों ने फोटोग्राफ देखे वगैरह, उन्होंने ये स्टोरी सुनी. दे फेल्ट एज अ ह्यूमन बीइंग, एज अ co-residents, we need to do something for this kid.
Tene diringi program bo CMS Sichoxne Eliezer Jordan Memorial College students gunifia morality and ethics in wildlife and environmental reporting skorla in pin. Tene diringi I program binanga degree college journalism students sumchujigi participate chosten pinle. Tene I program itos program gun tene gomarang sonsteno itos program gun chagoshis po makhachanduk chejuna Ladakh po ngata tezuk shinokau ngata environment po ngati wildlife po ma fragile jik thedu gale tene te tus penanga ngata thugu gunla youth mayos pe Ladakh se thugu gunla itos chala gunis kola awareness yongoshes gus yongoshes po ma khachanduk tenang nyang te students gun thores la reporting choches in na nam khon journalist gurches in na reporter gurches in na te zane khon la tene environment issues gunis kola manga mang po ji gus yongoshes po khachani noking atang reporting jik cho zane ka chok chalak rik ngata nange na bor gosanok ki wildlife shik in nanga tanga kon endangered species sang mangpo yonga
anok endangered birds animals sangmang po yung anok tenete guni territory guni nanga ngatangun juks te macha ka tsuksla ek moral nang ethically correct chik duks te reporting bo chogo she sinok te veskorla diri program bo yot pinle